Hey, remember that not so great mattress we talked about last week when we were getting our new RV? Well, I told you I was going to order a new trifold mattress, and it's here. This rather nondescript looking cardboard box you can see is it. So we're going to go get it in the truck and get it installed in the RV. So that's next.
Let's go.
All right, so we are going to be loading the mattress box into the truck right now. And you can see on the truck that there's been an addition since we picked up the trailer last week.
It has a smart cap, and you can open up the sides. It has windows that you can open up. We just felt like it would help us with the storage on when we take the little trailer out. It would give us a lot more space for items. It is lockable. You can each one of these places where you open it up, it has a key, and they're all the same key. So, which is really nice. I only have to have one to lock it or unlock it.
All right. That's great. Okay, so it's no secret that we love RV snap pads, and we would definitely put them on the little trailer if they made them. But they don't make a snap pad type of pad. So we got these. We got them from Amazon. So these are base pad, scissor jack, shoe jack pads that stay attached. So we're going to install those today since we're over here. And remember, we have to open up the slide. And one thing we're going to check is by moving a couple of things, we're going to see if
we can have the bed stay out and pull the slide in.
Yeah.
We're going to check that out.
Because
we saw a review of the trailer by Josh, and he was able to do it. So we think we can. So we're going to try it.
We're going to try it. Because, sometimes you're just in a position where you just don't want to let that slide out, but you have to stay overnight. It doesn't happen often for us because generally we're a little on the cautious side and don't tend to stay in overnight parking like that. But sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So we're going to check that today as well. So got a whole bunch of things to do. We're going to install the mattress, put on the jack pads, do a couple of tests. Okay, let's do it. This is where you need the screwdriver. Help persuade it onto this other side. Oh, very good. Yep. Cool. There's one. We'll let you know how well these stay on. Like I said, RV snap pads, I'm a big fan. But RV snap pads, if you were hearing me and you do make something like this for a trailer, please let me know, or if anybody knows about whether they make them for this kind of trailer, let me know in the comments. So, I'd switch in a heartbeat if they had them, but we'll see how these go. Okay, well, they're all installed, and so now we'll just see how well they do going forward. So that's the installation of the jack pads. I think we told you at the get-go that this unit does have a solar panel and a lithium battery. So Derek's going to switch it over so that we can turn on the lights, which he's here right now, and we can move this slide out. You can see the lights are on, and now we're going to pull the slide out. So let's do that. right back. This whole process is going to take a couple of days because, as you know, it will start to unpuff the minute which is so fun to see, but it won't be completely unpuffed until probably, let's today's Monday, probably like Wednesday. So we're going to come back and see how puffed it is, which is why we're going to try and close the slide with the bed open. So I've already moved everything out from underneath, so I think we should be good. And there it is.
Round. That's interesting.
I know we can return it after 30 days. I haven't the foggiest idea how we would possibly get it back here. Let's get this set up
Let me get
over here. What?
Let me get the scissors. Okay. Already starting to puff up.
No. The puffing has begun.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta get this. I think this is the top. I think this is
Yeah, I think so.
This would make a really good episode of I Love Lucy. Okay. Get that in here. Yes. Good job. All right.
Okay.
Now
We're probably going to
Giant
have to
hoop walk.
actually pull this
Yeah,
whole
I
thing
know.
off. But
All right. What? Want to just try folding it, see what happens? Oh. Wham! It fits.
Yeah.
At least at the moment. All right. Let's put it back. Whoa. Alrighty.
definitely getting thicker.
Yeah. Wow.
It seems to be the full 60 inches wide,
Right.
even though they said it was 58.
It says it's 58 and a half. I think now it's time, we'll take this plastic out and we're going to see about closing the slide. And then we'll go wait for the puffing to occur.
That's right.
Okay. Actually looks really good. I'm actually pretty excited. You can see how nice and squishy it is. The other one didn't have any squishy to it, so this is really good. All right, we're gonna close the slide here in a second. It looks pretty good. So it looks like the answer is yes. We could have the bed and have it open, but not have the slide. We'd have to open the slide for a minute,
At least a little bit.
just a little bit, and then we can
Put the bed down.
put the bed down. All right. Well, the mattress is now installed, and we are going to head back, and we will see you back here in a couple of days to see how much it's puffed. That's it for the moment. We'll see you in a couple of days. Bye. So we are back at the trailer, and we are heading in to see what the mattress looks like and see about getting that all set up. So let's go in. All right, well, as you can see, it's all finished expanding and not much bigger than it was when we left, but a little bit, but definitely out a little bit more this way. Remember, the other one was about 3 inches shy. This one is a little bit over, but not too bad. So we're gonna get the slide out and get it made up. notice that there was a little bit of a different bend in one of the 3 mattresses. So Derek said that we should turn it around. He was correct in that. And now it goes in really easily. Yeah, that shot. Two fails. Yep. There we go. All right. Oops.
We'll let you know our final thoughts on this mattress after we've used it a few times. We'll be using it a lot over the next few weeks, so we'll be sure and let you know how it holds up.
And there we go. Here is the bed is made and put away. Can't see any of it even out the top. I bought this washable rug on Amazon. I like these because they're soft and fuzzy, but they also can be thrown in the washing machine. So this is our living mode. Now I will have to move the rug to close the slide, but that's okay. All right, well, I think that's a great mattress. We are very excited about that.
Yeah, it'd be real interesting once we're actually sleeping in it to
Right.
give it a full try, but
Exactly.
it looks really good at this
Yeah,
point.
it really does. It's
Much better than
Yeah.
what the other one was.
exactly. The other one happens to be in the back of the truck. It's going to go to Goodwill or something.
So, yes.
You know. There's nothing wrong with it. It's completely fine. But
Just not quite as comfortable as we would like.
when you're older than dirt, like we are, you just need a nice mattress. And we've gotten so used to memory foam mattresses that it is just, yeah, you got to have a memory foam mattress. Anyway, so we got this one on Amazon. I will put the links in the description for this particular mattress. It's not bad to make. And as you can see, we were able to fold it completely up into that space. That's an 8-inch, and it's pretty much 60 by 80. It says 58.5 in the description, but it was a little bit bigger than that, I think.
Yeah, it seems like it was 60 by 80.
I think it was mostly, so it's pretty much almost full queen size, but that didn't seem to make any difference. We were able to get it up in there with all the extra blankets and the pillows and everything, so I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased with that. We have a lot of stuff coming up. We've actually added another trip to our great experiment. That's going to be pretty hilarious, and so we're looking forward to bringing you that. So you're not going to want to miss anything, so if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and ring the bell to get notified.
You bet. Until next time, Restless friends, you take care.
Bye.